We were recently gifted this LED light for your car to make it much brighter. And I'm going to show you what it looks like right out of the box and show you what you get when you unpack it. So first of all, it comes in this very small box here. And it comes with these handy gloves. So you do get 2 gloves, very nice to have, especially if you're removing halogen bulbs or just handling any kind of bulbs. It eliminates smudges and other issues that you have in just handling the bulbs. So it is nice to be able to have these 2 nice gloves that come with it. Now also within the box, you do get as well a manual, which is nice, which are very easy to follow instructions. And then you get nicely packaged, very protected, 2 of the LED bulbs. And this is what they look like. So you'll see you do have the LED lights right there. You do have the locking ring. You do have the sink. And then you do have the power connector right there, the heat sink and the power connector. So very well marked, very easy to follow on how to do it. To make sure that you've got the right size, it does have it listed on the side of the box. So you definitely want to check your car's manual, make sure you've got the right one, and then make sure it has it there on the side of the box. Again, very well protected as it shows up, and really good step-by-step instructions with it as well. Check it out if you are in the market for a very bright, up to 10 times brighter than you may have right now, LED bulb for your car.